Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to make a music on your video sounds muffled on a CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do, you need to prepare the project as well as the video and the music that you want to edit. So you already have some. Let's try a bit. So now I would like to make the sounds or the music of this video sounds muffled. So the thing that you have to do now is just go click the music part, and after that you need to take a look on this button features right there, and then you just need to scroll into the left side until you found a voice effect. Then you just need to go click it. And now you need to take a look on this part, and so this part there will be a section of the effects that provided by the CapCut. So you just need to go click this retro, and in this retro slide this into the left side until you find a microphone, and then just need to click it. Now go click checklist button to apply it. Now you already have a music sounds muffled on your video. So that's the way how to make your music sounds muffled on the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.